Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something you have probably heard of but might not fully understand, that is mutual funds. Stick around because I've got quick and interesting facts that can help you decide if they're right for you. So let's jump in. Fact number 1. What are mutual funds? Mutual funds are like a money pool where many investors put their cash together. Professional fund managers then invest that money in stock, bonds, or other assets. Think of it as a team effort to grow wealth. Fact number 2. Anyone can start small. You don't need to be rich to invest in mutual funds. Some funds let you start with as little as 500 rupees or rupees 1000. So even if you are on tight budget, it's a great way to get started. Fact number 3. Diversification that is equal to less risk. Here is the cool part. Mutual funds spread your money across many investments, reducing the risk of losing everything. If one stock performs poorly, it's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Fact number 4. Types of mutual funds. There is a mutual fund for every goal. Equity funds for long term growth, debt fund for stability, and hybrid fund for mix of both. Pick one that matches your needs. Fact number 5. Professional management. Mutual funds are managed by experts who analyze the market and make investment decisions for you. Perfect for beginners who don't know much about investing. Fact number 6, that is cost to know about. Mutual fund charge a small fee called expense ratio for managing your money. Always check this. It can affect your overall return. Fact number 7, the power of SIP. Systematic investment plans let you invest a fixed amount regularly. This helps you build your wealth over time and benefits from market ups and downs through rupee cost averaging. And that's a wrap up. Mutual funds are a fantastic tool for building wealth if you use them wisely. Ready to take your first step? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one. Happy investing!